transform your social media strategy with powerful 30-second UGC ads, all without spending a dime. In this tutorial, we'll unlock the secrets to creating compelling user-generated content, ads that grab attention and drive engagement, leveraging readily available tools and your existing customer base. First things first, let's talk about your toolkit. You don't need expensive software. Free, powerful options like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or even the built-in editors on your phone are perfect for this task. Open your chosen editor and create a new project. Setting your dimensions to a vertical 916 ratio, ideal for most social platforms. Next, we'll tap into the gold mine of user-generated content. Think about your most enthusiastic customers or brand advocates. Reach out to them and ask permission to use their existing video content. Look for authentic, relatable clips that showcase your product or service in action. You can also encourage your audience to share their experiences using a specific hashtag. Now, it's time to assemble your ad. Import your chosen UGC clips into your video editor. Aim for the most impactful moments. Think about a strong hook in those first 3 seconds to instantly capture viewer attention. This could be a surprising visual, a bold statement, or a question. Continuously trim your clips to keep the pace fast and dynamic. Each clip should serve a purpose, either highlighting a key feature, demonstrating a benefit, or showcasing a positive customer experience. Remember, brevity is key. Every second counts. Add clear, concise text overlays to highlight your main message or call to action. Keep the text readable and on screen long enough to absorb, but not so long that it becomes distracting. Think about what you want people to do after watching. Why visit your website, sign up, or make a purchase. Sound is crucial. Select upbeat, royalty-free music that complements your brand's personality. You can find free music libraries online. Also, consider adding subtle sound effects to enhance the impact of certain actions or visuals, but don't overdo it. Finally, it's time to export. Choose a high-quality resolution, typically 1080p, and a common file format like MP4 before you upload. Give your ad a final watch through to ensure everything flows smoothly and your call to action is clear. And there you have it, a powerful 30-second UGC created entirely for free, ready to engage your audience and boost your social media presence. Start creating and watch your engagement soar.